Polynesians did not trust modern medicine. They preferred to leave their health in the hands of traditional medicine. In those days, ancient Polynesians' medicine was practiced by the Tā'u or the Polynesian healer priest. The Tā'u used two types of treatment against disease. One, the Rao Tahiti, a concoction composed of various plants, hibiscus flowers extracted from banyan trees or other flower plants. Today, every Polynesian family uses a recipe of Rao Tahiti passed on from generation to generation. Ladies and gentlemen, dancer 1,